What's the meaning of branded? Branded. Branded.
Branded. Branded. The term branded typically refers to a product or service that has specifically designed and marketed with a unique name, symbol, design, or other distinctive feature. Branding is an essential aspect of promoting and differentiating products in a crowded marketplace. A strong brand can evoke positive emotions and associations with quality, reliability, and prestige. Successful branding can result in increased customer loyalty, recognition, and ultimately, profits. In today's highly competitive business environment, effective branding is essential for companies hoping to stand out and succeed.